In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know Bitbucket username. If you've ever needed your Bitbucket username for SSH, API access, or to share it with a teammate, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and what the username aliases section actually means. So you can be confident you're using the right identifier. Start by opening your browser and heading to bitbucket.org. If you're not already signed in, Bitbucket will prompt you to log in. Go ahead and do that so you land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one, because settings can look slightly different depending on where you are. Next, click on Repository. In the top navigation, you'll see an option that takes you to your repositories list. Choose the repository you're working with so that you're on its main page. If you have a lot of repositories, the search bar here is handy. Just type a few letters of the repo name to bring it up quickly. Once you're viewing the repository, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Repository Settings. This area is where all repo level configuration lives. Depending on your permissions, you might see a gear icon or a label that simply says Settings under the repository name. If you don't see it, you may need elevated access. Ask a repository admin to grant you the necessary permissions. Inside Repository Settings, find and click Username Aliases. This is the panel that shows your Bitbucket username information. Here, you'll see the primary username associated with your account, and in some cases, additional aliases that Bitbucket accepts. This is especially useful if your account started with an older naming format, or if your team migrated from another identity system. Bitbucket keeps aliases, so existing scripts and SSH configurations continue to work. Take a moment to note the difference between your display name and your username. The display name is the friendly name others see in the UI, while the username is the technical identifier used by Git over HTTPS or SSH and by API tokens. When in doubt, the username aliases section is the authoritative place to confirm what will work. If you're setting up a new machine, this is a great time to copy your username so you can paste it into your Git client or SSH configuration. Keep it handy, but remember it's not a secret. Just avoid pairing it with sensitive information in public places. That's it. By going to bitbucket.org, opening your repository, navigating to repository settings, and selecting username aliases, you can quickly confirm your exact Bitbucket username and any accepted variations.